When it comes to choosing a car, safety is one of the most important criteria for drivers. But did you know that some Chinese cars, despite their attractive prices, do not perform as well during crash tests? If you're looking for a car that offers good protection in the event of an accident, some Chinese cars fall short of international standards. In this article, we will explore the 5 Chinese car models that behave like paper after a crash, highlighting their performance during safety tests. Before diving into the list of cars in question, it's important to understand why some Chinese cars fail crash tests. The main reasons include the lack of advanced safety technology, the use of low-quality materials in vehicle construction, and safety standards that are sometimes less strict than those of European or American vehicles. These combined factors can make certain cars particularly vulnerable in accidents, making them choices to avoid if safety is a priority for you. The Geely Panda is a model that has attracted a lot of attention due to its compact design and affordable price. However, this car showed catastrophic results in safety tests. Its safety score is particularly low due to its poor occupant protection during a frontal collision. The Geely Panda demonstrated that its body structures could not effectively absorb the impact, leading to severe injuries to the occupants. While the price of the Geely Panda may be tempting for those looking for an economical car, it's important to remember that a cheap car is worthless if it's not safe. The lack of body reinforcement and advanced safety technology places it on our list of Chinese cars to avoid if you're looking to protect your family on the road. The Chery QQ is one of the best-selling models in China and has even made an entry into the international market. However, its performance during crash tests leaves much to be desired. In a frontal accident, the Chery QQ showed significant deformation of its cabin, endangering the lives of the passengers. The airbags did not deploy correctly, and the car's structure showed poor resistance to impact. In addition to its poor safety performance, the Chery QQ also suffers from low-quality materials in its construction, making it a risky option in terms of safety. Even though the car is very affordable, its repair costs after an accident could be much higher than those of a safer model. The Great Wall Wingle 5 is a pickup truck produced by the Chinese automaker Great Wall Motors. While it's a popular model in emerging countries, it has shown disappointing results in crash tests. Its fragile body and inadequate internal structure cause significant deformation in the event of a collision. Furthermore, the vehicle's safety system, including airbags and braking systems, does not perform as well as those of European or American vehicles. During tests, the frontal impact revealed excessive intrusion into the cabin, exposing occupants to serious injury. The Great Wall Wingle 5 does not meet the crash test standards of international automotive safety agencies, making it a model to avoid if you're looking for optimal protection in the event of an accident. The BYD F3 is another Chinese car that ranks among the models showing concerning performance during safety tests. This model was designed to be affordable, but this comes at the expense of safety. Crash test results showed that the BYD F3 is not equipped with a robust enough safety structure. During the frontal impact, the car's cabin showed significant deformation, and the occupant protection system proved insufficient. Although the BYD F3 is an economical car, it doesn't meet the high safety standards that drivers seek. The absence of modern technologies such as collision alert systems and advanced protection makes this model unreliable in the event of an accident. As a family car or daily transport vehicle, it would be wiser to look for a safer model. The Baojun 730 is a family model that is popular in China and other Asian markets. While it comes with several practical features, it also suffers from serious safety issues.